Hey guys, my name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today I'm going to show you how you can advance the bird dog exercise. And if you don't know what the bird dog is, definitely go back and watch the other videos or just stick tight to this one because you'll probably understand quickly. We'll go over it. But if you've seen the other videos, then definitely keep watching because this is how to advance them. And if you're strong enough, then this is a great way to do it. So just to give you a little bit of an angle, you're going to start off on all fours. You'll do your bird dog exercise just like this, right? So first, if you can hold that for a second or two, that's great. If you want to hold it for 5 seconds, definitely make sure you can get up to at least 10 seconds and repeat that on both sides. After that, you're going to want to switch up some sort of advancement because it might be too easy. So first, you're going to make sure you can do this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up that arm a little bit. Just like from here to here. From on this side, it'll look like that. And on the back leg, it's going to look like this. You're going to kind of go swing out to the side. Now, what you want to avoid is, kind of your whole body twisting and doing stuff like this. You want to be nice and straight the best you can. So you'll come up, you'll kick out, and this will come out to the side. And that's how you would advance this one. And like that. So essentially you're just going forward with this one and then you're bringing it out. And as you bring it out, you become a little bit more unstable, forcing your core to do more work. Now, if that's even easier and you get really good at that and you could hold that for 10 seconds, maybe you're going to want to add some foot and ankle weights. Now, if you don't have foot and ankle weights, maybe you have a stability pad. And this is where it can get really, really fun, also interesting. So what you can do to advance this even further is you could place one hand and one foot on the opposite side, and then you're going to come up like this. So you can see how I'm wobbling. Really, really difficult. And if anything, maybe, just maybe, I'm too wobbly at this point in time. And so what I'll do is I'll just get better at this one. Go side to side, come back, and then maybe I'll go all the way around each side, getting this straightened up. This is significantly harder, so I wouldn't go from, here, and then here, and then here, and then go from on these, and then try to do these and these. I would go back to the straightaways and doing those straight and nice in form with good form if you're going to be adding that. The next progression after that would be to add the other side, but I can't even do those. I definitely need some more work to do, but those are how to advance the bird dog exercises. Make them a little bit harder because I really think that these are the most underutilized exercises that you can do to help your low back, to develop core stiffness and strength, and really get your hips, your glutes, your shoulders involved. What a phenomenal exercise and a great way to advance them. All right, guys. My name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this episode, definitely subscribe and we'll show you a lot more videos. We'll see you soon. Bye.